Mr. Mpanga Farouq and others contested. He emerged a winner, but the Electoral Commission, in collusion with others, declared Mr. Ssenkubuge Isaac as the winner of the elections. Aggrieved by the decision of the Electoral Commission, Mr. Mpanga came and lodged a petition in the High Court of Uganda at Kampala, where before we could hear the petition at preliminaries, the respondents, who are Electoral Commission and Mr. Ssenkubuge, raised objections as to the competence of the petition. Upon raising those objections, we are required to answer. They submitted formally and we answered. Then amongst the 6 that they raised, we managed. The court agreed with them on only one ground. It concerned the affidavit and the jurat of Mr. Mpanga. Aggrieved by that decision, we decided to lodge an appeal. It was election petition appeal number 13 of 2021, where we were aggrieved by the decision of the judge on only that ground regarding the affidavit. Expansion of the affidavit and consequential dismissal of the appeal.
Bweyogerere Division Mpanga Ssenkubuge Isaac yali wokusatu wa NRM NUP. Era olwaleero tubadde mu kkooti, balooya bange bakoze omulimu ogw'amaanyi ennyo, era tulindirira buwanguzi bwaffe okuva mu kkooti. Olwaleero kkooti esazeewo egenda kutubuulira biri egenda okusala omusango nawaabo balooya bange.